In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Zoho People. We'll walk through the quickest way to do this using the fewest possible clicks so you can get new team members into your system without any confusion. Make sure you're already logged into your Zoho People account and that you have the right permissions to add employees. If you're an admin or HR user, you should be good to go. Start by looking at the top right corner of your Zoho People screen. You'll see an icon labeled Quick Actions, usually shown as a plus sign. This is your shortcut hub for creating things quickly, and it's the fastest way to add a new employee. Go ahead and click on that Quick Actions plus icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. From this list, you want to choose the option labeled Employee. This tells Zoho People that you're about to work with employee records rather than anything else, like attendance or leave. After selecting Employee, you'll see another option that says Add Employees. Click on Add Employees to open the employee creation form. This is where you'll enter the basic details for the new hire. Now you'll be guided through a few simple prompts on the screen. Start by entering the employee ID if your organization uses one. This could be a number or code that uniquely identifies the person in your system. Next, type in the employee's first name and last name exactly as they should appear in your records and on any official documents generated from Zoho People. You'll also need to enter an email address for the employee. This should be an email they can access, ideally their official work email if it's already set up. Double-check the spelling here because this address is often used for login details, notifications, and important communication. Take a moment to review everything you've entered. Make sure the ID, first name, last name, and email are all correct, since these are the core details that define the employee's profile. Once you're confident all the information looks right, go ahead and click Submit. Zoho People will save the new record, and your employee will now be added to the system using this quick method. That's all you need to do. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a new employee in Zoho People, keeping your records up to date and ready for onboarding.